Hi everyone, I'm Daniel,
And I'm Sunny.
and welcome to the Modern Work Monthly Update series. These videos are a chance for us as Modern Work Customer Success Managers to connect with you each month and showcase what's new within the platform at the center of your workday, Microsoft Teams.
With a dynamic product like Teams that's growing so quickly, we thought this would be a great way to keep you in the loop. For example, coming up this month, we'll take a look at new presenting experiences rolling out in Microsoft Teams meetings.
For fans of some more in-depth and long-form content, we'll also be giving you a preview of what webinars our team have up and coming to better connect you with what matters.
We hope to put out our monthly update on the 20th of each month, so mark that day in your calendar to come along and learn something new about the platform that's at the center of your workday.
Hope you're excited as we are. See you all soon.
See you soon.